SciCuriousID presents. Ever noticed how in some countries, people stand so close you can practically count their eyelashes? While in others, you need a telescope just to maintain eye contact. That invisible comfort zone around you, your personal space bubble, changes drastically depending on where you're from. So why do Westerners often prefer an arm's length apart, while many Asians seem perfectly fine standing shoulder to shoulder?
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Seluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Let's unfold the science of proximity, psychology, and the fascinating cultural geometry of space. The idea of personal space isn't new, but the term itself was first coined in the 1960s by anthropologist Edward T. Hall. He called it proxemics, the study of how humans use space in communication. Hall's research revealed a striking pattern. People from contact cultures, like Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America, often feel comfortable standing closer. In contrast, non-contact cultures, like Northern Europe and North America, value distance, preferring a little breathing room between bodies. These habits aren't random. They're shaped by centuries of environment, population density, and social philosophy. How people lived, built cities, and thought about community all determined how close they stand today. Let's get scientific. Personal space isn't just culture, it's chemistry and psychology. Your brain's amygdala monitors the space around your body, sending a mild alarm when someone steps too close. This is called the peripersonal zone, and its size varies depending on how you were raised, your gender, and even your recent stress level. Western societies, with their emphasis on individualism and privacy, tend to train wider bubbles, where personal space equals personal identity. Meanwhile, Asian cultures, shaped by collectivism and denser environments, nurture smaller bubbles, where closeness signals trust and belonging. There's even a physiological twist. People in high-density cities like Tokyo, Seoul, and Hong Kong develop better tolerance to proximity. Their brains literally adapt to crowding, showing less anxiety response in tight spaces. Biology learns culture. When people from different space cultures meet, their body language performs a silent dance. Westerners step back, Asians step forward, until both find that awkward but magical middle ground. Fun fact: scientists measured average comfortable distance across countries. Argentinians stand about 76 centimeters apart, Americans 96 centimeters, but in Saudi Arabia or Indonesia, only 60 centimeters. That's practically conversational yoga. In Japan, bowing naturally preserves space without touch, while in Italy, a hug and cheek kiss shrink the bubble to zero. In the UK, we rely on polite coughing to reclaim our bubble, the universal British warning system. And here's something funny. People from colder climates tend to keep more distance, possibly a subconscious reflection of the weather. So yes, even temperature can affect how much you want someone near your face. From the crowded streets of Manila to the quiet parks of Copenhagen, human space is as diverse as our languages. Yet, it all comes down to how we connect. In collectivist cultures, closeness means comfort. In individualist ones, distance means respect. Both are right, and both reveal what we value most: harmony or autonomy. It's the same planet, just drawn with different invisible circles. Personal space isn't about walls, it's about rhythm. When we learn to respect each other's distance, we also learn to bridge it. So whether you're a close talker or a bubble keeper, remember, understanding space is just another way to understand humanity. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.